How to check TikTok watch history. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. For this, if you go ahead and check out any of the account settings, you will not find any of the option regarding the TikTok watch history. This is because unfortunately, TikTok does not have created a feature to directly view your watch history. This is most likely to preserve your own safety and privacy. Now, if you want to check your watch history, what you can do is you can scroll through your feed. TikTok's algorithm tends to prioritize content based on a recent interaction. So scroll through your feed. It might reveal video you have watched recently. If you have searched for a video, you can tap on the search icon and check if there is any of the specific content. If not, you can head on to your profile option and check on the like section. In your like section, you might find the video that you have watched recently as well. However, for now, there is no direct way to view your watch history. And just like that, you have made it to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.